Okay, today I'm gonna teach you how to solve 2x2 Rubik's Cube on easiest way ever. First, you need the scrambled 2x2 cube. So, how to do this? Okay, let me show you. First, you need to find white and blue. There is white, blue, and match it like this. Then, white, red. There is white, red. Just match it, okay? And next is white and green. There is white and green. First, this is the hardest part of this step. Just set it up, the right and down. Now you have perfect position for this piece. Put there, match with green. Left because you need to match blue color, and that's it. You have full white color and first layer. Okay, next step is to solve full yellow color without destroying white color, and this is so easy. You need to just learn a few simple algorithms. Okay, this is first case. When you have this, just do this algorithm. Okay, and you will have yellow color solved. Okay, when you have this case, just do this algorithm. And you will have solved yellow color. Next case is this. And for this, just do one simple algorithm. And that's it. Okay, now when you have case like this, just do this simple algorithm. And that's it. For a case like this, do this. Okay, for this case, do this algorithm. Okay. And finally, for this case, do this. Okay, this is the last step of solving 2x2 Rubik's Cube. In this step, you need to orient all pieces in last layer. Okay, how to do this? Use this solved part, put it back, okay, like this. Then hold cube like this, and do this easy algorithm. And your cube will be solved. Okay, I hope you solved your 2x2. If not, just rewatch the video, and I hope you will. Okay, if you have any questions, just tell me in comments, and that's it. See you in next video, guys. Bye.